So very good morning all of you. Today all of us gathered together virtually to facilitate second PUC board exam achievers. So on this special occasion, I would like to welcome our students, parents and learners team. So on behalf of Learners PU College, I congratulate all our students for their outstanding performance in board exam. So most of you scored more marks than your 10th board exam. So this time you have got excellent results. So, but I know there are few students who are not happy with your performance. So don't worry, life is full of exams. So prepare well for your next competitive exams like CET, NEET and IIT. And always remember that. So whenever you are wasting your time doing nothing, okay, so think there will be someone, he'll become smarter than you. So don't waste your time, utilize the time and prepare well for the next exam. Okay, so let us start today's program with the blessing of God. So I request Trustee of first PUC student to lead us with the invocation song.
Shruti put ke na लगते हैं. महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि इष्टवामदेवादिवन्दित महागणपतिम् महादेवसुतो महादेवसुतो गुरुगुहनुतं महादेवसुतो गुरुगुहनुतं महादेवसुतो गुरुगुहनुतं मारकोटि प्रकाशं शान्तं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियम् महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदकप्रियं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदकप्रियं महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दित महागणपतिम् Thank you.
Thank you, Srishti. Next, I would like to invite Madhavi ma'am to announce our results.
Thank you, Kavya ma'am. So good morning, everyone. It's really nice to see you all again. I think we just met 1 week back with Babar Ali sir's event. And now we are back again because of the result, and this time wonderful result. So I'm very happy. First of all, congratulations to all. Let me say this batch will be always remembered, not only in Learners PU College. I think the worldwide it will be remembered as it is a pandemic year. Nobody will ever forget. Whatever will be your age bar, 100 years you will be, but still only fresh memory will be year 2020. Every time that we talk about the students, we also want the children to be good academically as well as all the other activities also. Let it be speaking ability, let it be presentation ability, let it be sports activity. But definitely I agree that sports is something which comes in the last priority for learners. I agree because I think this 2 years, there are many more things that the children have to develop. Between the percentage of the students, that all types of students, we never differentiate, we cut off, we even for all category of students, and we see that whatever percentage they have scored, they score more than that in PU second year. So on that respect, let me tell you, we are very happy with the performance of all the students. So overall, we have got 94.73% for the students. wherein we also have scored. Our first topper is Sahana Swami with 97.50%, and she has also shown. I think there is small technical problem. Let me just. Yes. Okay, thank you, dear. So, okay, there was a small technical glitch. So, we are back here. As I said, we had 114 students appear for the examination, in which we have 16 students who scored centum, and we have 36 students who got distinction, and 61% of the student got first class. 61 students got first class, and 11 of them with the second class. Our first topper for PCMB is Sahana Swami KP with 95.50%. Again, she has shown a very good improvement compared to her 10th standard. And when it comes to her PCMB score also, it's amazing with 99%. And second topper, but PCMC topper is Rashmi V. She has secured 96.17%. That is also very good improvement from compared to her 10th standard percentage, which we'll be also discussing little in detail. Apart from that, it's not just the topper of the college that I want to appreciate. I want to appreciate everybody, because we have students who scored tremendous improvement in their percentage right from the 10th standard. And I would definitely like to mention few names here. That is Mr. Mahadev Prasad, who showed 19% improvement compared to his 10th standard marks. We have Ananya UC, 16.5% improvement from her 10th standard result. We have Kushal Gowda, we have Sai Karthik, Khushi, Ariba, Suhas NH. Suhas NH is one of my favorite. Congratulations, dear, for doing this achievement, because we feel very happy, and he is the first child to call us to inform his results. Congratulations, dear. And Jeevan VC, Nandish, Samiksha, Anish, Murli Karthik, Jayant DM, Shreyas BS, Raksha, Anjali, Darshan HL, Kavya, Krutik, Leena, Sai Priya. Sai Priya, I'm very proud of you, dear. You made our day, you made our year. I'm very happy. Just for 2 marks, she missed the distinction, but she showed overall 9% improvement. We are very, very happy. Sai Karthik for you. Sorry, Sai Priya for you. Saujanya, Gagan Raj, Skanda, Dinesh Nayak, and Shashank P also. We are very happy. There are many more students, and it will be a long list. As we see, almost all the students have shown tremendous improvement. So congratulations to one and all. And since I'm a computer science faculty also, I would like to mention few the result of computer science as well, because I'll be handing over the platform to Kavya ma'am later. So when it comes to computer science students, I'm really feeling very happy and proud to say how well my students have performed. So as I see the result, out of all the students, 58% of the students have scored distinction, which is really amazing. And 12% of the, 38% of the students have scored above 90. So that shows a beautiful performance of the students in computer science. And 2 students have scored centum. So all my congratulations to Palaniswamy and Pratik, who have scored centum in computer science and made me feel very, very proud. Equally proud I am with all those other students who achieved great marks in computer science. Congratulations to one and all. And we always look forward for your inspiring talk for your juniors, so that they can also achieve the miracles that you have created and all the records that you have set. And let me tell you, this year 2020 batch, amazing batch. So congratulations one and all. And I hand over to Kavya ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. And once again, congratulations, students.
Thank you, ma'am. So all of us, we are very happy with your performance, students. So next, I would like to ask Murli sir to wish all our students.
Ellargu namaste. Good morning, students, parents, and teachers. Yeah, students, namaste once again. So today is really a great day. I would like to congratulate all the students, parents, and teachers for the wonderful results that our students have performed in second PUC board exam. As Madam and Madhavi Madam and Kavya Madam already briefed you about the overall results. One thing that we have set a goal when we started this institution, we found that many of the students in Karnataka, in PUC, their performance generally goes down compared to their 10th performance. So at that time, we set a goal that how can we reverse this trend? Wherever they are there, it doesn't matter. From there, they have to improve. That was the goal that we had set. Today, we are glad that many of the students have improved their performance compared to their 10th performance. I want to congratulate all of them, and especially the toppers. I remember some of the statistics. Last year, our college topper got 584. This year, our college topper Sahana Swami got 585. There is an improvement there, which is very happy. And then when we see number of centums, last year we had 8 people, but this year we have got 16 people, almost 100% improvement in that. It's an excellent thing. Number of distinctions, number of people who have got more than 505. There are 44 people. So in all these parameters, our students have exceeded our expectations and improved compared to last year. As an institution, we are really proud of that. So I want to congratulate all the teachers and also appreciate all the teachers and parents for their wonderful support to the students and also guidance and your cooperation, especially parents. We really support all your cooperation. So as an institution, each and every team member have put their hard work, sincere efforts in improving the performance of the students. Today we can clearly see that our results are speaking that. So now I want to talk a little bit about math subject. In math subject, 6 students got centums, 100 out of 100. 6 students got 99 and 7 students got 98, and above 95, 25 students have got above 95 in mathematics. Above 90 marks, 40 people got it. Distinctions, 46 people. Average of math subject, 77%. Like this, each and every subject we have analyzed. We found that even in biology also, lot of students got 100 out of 100, 99 like that. So as a overall, if you see our performance of average performance of the students, it has increased like anything. So that is a great achievement for the students and also the teachers. These are all the parameters that we always look at it. Wherever you are there, it doesn't matter. You need to go a little bit up. That is the excellence is journey. It is not the destination. So wherever you are there, we have to keep on improving that. So that way, many of the parameters our students are performed. I really want to congratulate once again all the students. I think many of the students have joined here. I can see Rashmi is here, our PCMC first topper. Ariba, our PCMC second topper. She is here. They will be interacting with you people. And Sahana Swami, who is our college topper and also PCMP first topper. She is on the way. She will be joining anytime soon here. So people, students who could not come here, because as you know that because of this pandemic situation, we cannot have a big gathering here. I can see Inchira is coming here now. People, whoever is there, wherever you are there, along with your parents, you can join, especially second year outgoing students. Please take an opportunity to join in this call and say hello to teachers and say hello to your friends, whoever is there in the call. Thank you, students. With this, I will hand over the forum to Kavya Miller. I'll be here. If there are any things, I keep coming and talking to you people. Thank you very much.
So thank you, sir. So our second topper is Rashmi, and she's the first topper in PCMC. She scored Kannada 93 marks, English 88 marks, Physics 100, Chemistry 97, Mathematics 100, Computer Science 99. So her overall performance total is 577 and her total is 96%. So she got centums in 2 subjects, that is physics and maths. So I request Rashmi to address our students.
Hi everyone.
So congratulations, Rashmi.
Hi everyone.
I feel everybody is safe and secure at your residences. I first congratulate everybody for securing highest marks in your second PUC. I know some have not reached their expectations, but I say that you should not be dissatisfied with all those. Like, because be satisfied with what you have. Satisfaction is something which makes your inner soul happy. Be satisfied with what you have, because second PU exams are not the end of your life. So be happy with what you have got. And today I'm here to speak about my success. Like, my success here is gaining 96.17% in second POC, because my percentage in 10th was 94.3 and I scored just 89. For me, it was just 89 in maths, but here I have scored centum in maths. And in 10th, I was not actually scared of maths, but I just ignored maths because I don't know whether ICSE maths was tough or what. But as soon as I joined learners, like, I felt every subjects are equal, and I was more into maths. Like, my whole first PU, I was doing just maths problems, and I have still my first PU maths textbook, and even I do my maths problems every moment. Like, whenever I have time, more time I spend on maths. Usually in 10th, I was not at all touching my maths book, and even my parents are so happy that I am more active on maths subject. And my mom was so happy because because last year she has told to her colleagues in our workplace that I have scored 96% in first year, but every persons are not happy with what you gain, right? Like, some of them said that, oh, it's not important to score in first PUC, that she may score in 96 here, and second PUC let us see her results. Like, and my mom was so confident that even, and she has said that she will score exactly 96. I don't know how she said that. She will score exactly 96 in second PU, and she's happy that I scored exactly what she has said to her colleagues. And she was happy, and she was saying that tomorrow I will go and say to my friends about your results. But she has come here today, and she has contacted everybody on phone, and everybody was happy. And in my whole relative group, I am the only girl who have taken science. No, not only girl, like, I am the only child or student who has taken science, because our family's educational background is not that too good. And everybody was happy that I have taken science, and only few members have taken science, and most of them have failed in first PUC, but I am the only one who have secured such good marks in second PUC. So I'm happy for that, and my whole family was congratulating me, and they were all they were so happy that they were feeling proud that I was their own child. And the whole night I got phone calls from all my friends, my schoolmates, even they were all happy that I scored good in science. Even my school topper, she was a school topper, and she was my bestie, that is Anaga. Even she said that I have scored well in science, and I felt proud. Like, but because she has joined base, I don't know how much is a science score, but she texted me back that you have scored well in science. I was happy for that. I like to congratulate everybody, and I personally congratulate Ariba, because I was so happy that she got 100 in chemistry. Because when I saw chemistry paper, I thought it was a little vague paper that I guess like. I was sure that I was not at all getting 100 in chemistry, but when it came out and when I spoke to Ariba, she said that okay, every paper was good enough. Then I thought, let us see the result, and now I'm very happy for Ariba. And even I'm happy for everybody who scored centums, and I'm very happy for Sahana, who has scored 97.5%. And I congratulate her, and I also congratulate everybody who has scored high in your second PUC. And I say that, like, don't be discouraged with everybody about what happens in your life, because like, more into profession, you have to follow your passion. Like, don't spoil your passion for getting into profession. Like, if you're good at singing, please do practice that, because like profession is completely different era from passion. Like, if profession leaves you, also passion does not leave your hand through your whole life. So I ask everybody to go into have little concentration even on your passion. Like, if you give 75% for your profession, like, at least give 5% for your passion. This is my request to all of you. Thank you.
Very nice, Ashwini. Rashmi. Now I request Rashmi to say few words.
ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಹೇಳ್ದಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಬಟ್ ಆಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ದಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಖುಷಿ ಆಗಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅವ್ರು ತಗೋತಾ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಅದೇ ಈ ಸರಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಬಂತ ಅಂದಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಒಂಥರ, ನಾನ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ, ಏನಂತ ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ ಅದೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ನಾನು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಮಗಳೇ ನೋಡು ನಿನ್ ಕೈಲಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲರ್ನರ್ಸ್ PU ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಳ್ತಾ ಓದ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದು ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೈಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಇಲ್ದೇನೆ ಓದ್ಕೋತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಸರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೈಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ತರನೇ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನಮ್ ಇರೋ ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಓ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಸಾಧಿಸಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಅದು ಸಾಧನೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಒಂದ್ ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಅಪ್ರಿಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನೀವ್ ಏನ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅದು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ನಿನ್ ಕೈಲಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಮಗು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರು 99 ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೀನ್ 95 ಅನ್ಬಾರ್ದು. 99 ಅವ್ರ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಅವ್ರ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಆ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ರ ತಂದೆನೋ ತಾಯಿನೋ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಎಜುಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಮಗು ಓದೋದೇನೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಆ ಟಾಪರ್ ಬರೋದೇನೋ ಅದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗುಡ್ ಅಂತ ನನ್ಗೆ ಅನ್ಸಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ರೈತನ ಮಗು ಬರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಒಂದು ಆಟೋ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಮಗು ಬರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಕೊಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಹೋಗ್ದೇನೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಂತ ಇದರಿಂದ ಶ್ರಮದಿಂದ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೊಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ICSE ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಓದಿಸಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದನೂ ಒಂದು ದಿನನೂ ಅವಳು ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸೇರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದಾಗ್ಲೂ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳಿರೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ತಂಗಿನೂ ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರ ತಂಗಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಓದಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕ ಅವರು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಂದಾನೆ. ಒಟ್ಟ ನಮ್ದು ಒಂದು ಕನ್ಸು ಏನಿತ್ತು, ನಾವು ಓದ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಈಗ ಓದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಈಗ ಓದ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ. ನನ್ ಮಗಳಿಗೆ 2 ಇದೆ. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಓದ್ತಾಳೆ ಓದ್ಲಿ, ಅವ್ಳ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದೊಂದು ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮಗುನ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇನಂದ್ರೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಮಗುಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಮಗುನ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮಗುಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅವ್ರ ಫಾದರ್ ಮದರ್ನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬೆಟರ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮನ ನೋಡಿ ಮಗುನ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮನ ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗುನ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹೊರತು ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನವಿಲಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಗಿಲೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಇದನ್ನೇ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹೊರತು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇರೋ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಷ್ಟ ಹೇಳಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ.
Yes, ma'am. Really, it's good.
Once again, congratulations to Kavya. Really, congratulations to Rashmi and her parents. I still remember the day when Rashmi came to college. She was so energetic. From the day when she's so punctual, all the classes, all the teachers. Thank you, madam. You tumba chanaga matadidru. What you said is really makes sense. What she was telling us, don't compare with others because everybody is different. So that is what exactly we have been doing here. Wherever you are there, from that you need to improve. So that way, most of you actually improved in your performance. So that way, all of you are leaders. We really congratulate all of you for your outstanding performance. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Next, I request our second computer science topper, Ariba, to say a few words.
Good morning, everybody. First of all, I'm very happy to be here. So, before beginning anything, I would first like to thank everybody, starting with the Almighty, to help me get good marks. Secondly, I want to thank all my teachers or teachers who supported me so much. And most importantly, I would like to thank Madhi ma'am and Murli sir for always being my constant support. Like they were my inspiration from day one. I would also like to thank my parents for giving me so much love, support. Whenever I needed them, they were there for me. They helped me at every step. They never discouraged me for anything. Whenever I said, before I could say anything, they used to understand what I want and they used to give me everything and help me out with everything. So I'm very grateful for all of that. And I how I studied was in the first year I did not give that much importance and I did not score well either in my first year. But once when I stepped into second year, I could understand the importance of getting good marks in second year. And from the day when I remember I started working hard, I started giving more importance to my study, started working hard, and that is the result that I got today. And all of the prayers that I received, I started giving. Initially, I used to study only for 4 to 5 hours. Then later on, I started giving more time. I used to study 7 to 8 hours a day and used to concentrate. From the beginning, math was my favorite subject. My mom was also a math teacher, so from beginning, math was my favorite subject. Later, computers, I built more interest due to my dad. He is a computer lecturer, so both of them gave me huge support for everything. Then when I came to the college, Madhvi ma'am, Murli sir for maths and computers, and Divya ma'am for chemistry. Especially my chemistry improved only because of Divya Rani ma'am. Because in first year I did not read chemistry properly, but chemistry was my favorite. But only due to Divya Rani ma'am, my chemistry improved very well. Rishikant sir for maths, he trained us really well. And all the lecturers, all the teachers here supported very well. Nagraj sir for English, I remember I used to never get good marks in English. I used to always think, why do I don't get good marks? Then later when I used to talk to sir, he used to tell me what my mistakes were. And I used to correct them and I used to change things. But I'm really thankful for everything. And I also like to congratulate everybody for getting such good marks. Sahana for being the topper, Rashmi for being the second topper, and everybody else who got centums, who got distinctions, and everybody, all my mates, I would like to congratulate them from the bottom of my heart, and also to everybody and the whole Learners Institution for always being there for me. Thank you.
Thank you, Ariba. So, as you told, coaching is very, very important, even if you take in the game like cricket or hockey or anything. So, coaching is very, very important. Here, coaches, it may be different. It may be your teachers or your friends or your parents. So, I request your parents to say few words.
A very good morning to one and all here. As Ariba's mother, I humbly take this opportunity to thank the lecturers of Learners PU College for guiding my daughter and helping her to achieve the goal. Okay. A special thanks to Murli sir and Madhvi ma'am for their constant support and encouragement, because I remember most of the time she used to speak about them, the way they speak, the way they have inspired her and all that. And also, very hearty congratulations to all the students of Learners PU College. So I'm also happy that I chose this college for my daughter, because initially I received a lot of speculations from many of them. Right from my workplace to my relatives, almost everybody, they were like, they were not very well acquainted with the college. But I and my husband, we were very firm in our decision when we decided for her as the college is the best. And I can say I'm really very proud of it, and proud of my decision that rather we opted for this college. So I thank all the lecturers, all the staff here, a very dedicated and friendly staff, because every time we come for the PT meeting, I used to see the way their approach was and the way they speak. Okay, and so it was really very good, a very nice experience being here. I personally thank all the lecturers, the staff, and especially Murli sir and Madhvi ma'am for their support for my daughter. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Sir.
Okay.
Okay. So Ariba, she scored 92 in the language 1, English 91, physics 95, chemistry 99, maths 100, and computer science 95. So her total is 572 and percentage is 95%. So I request Divya ma'am to give a bouquet of flowers. Madhvi ma'am also please join. Improvement also. Yeah, she has shown very good improvement.
How much?
9%, right? 9% improvement. 88.
Yeah, she improved total overall 9% improvement compared to 10 standard. Congratulations, Ariba.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for all your support. Please
So
stay here.
thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Group photo.
So next, I request physics faculty to announce their overall result.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of the physics department, I am glad to inform you that Ms. Rashmi is a top scorer in physics for this academic year 2019-20. She has secured centum in physics. Congrats, Rashmi, and best wishes to your future.
We are waiting for you.
Palaniswamy, Sahanaswamy, and Dikshita KR secured 99 in physics. 38 students scored above 85 in physics. Total pass percentage in physics is 96. Average percentage is 77.3. Once again, congrats to all the students and best wishes to you. Over to Tripti, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Well, first and foremost, I'd like to congratulate each and every student of learners because you have done your best. And in physics, we have one centum, Rashmi V. Because of her complete dedication and determination towards her goal, she scored 100 on 100. And we have 20 students who have scored above 95. Sahanaswamy, Palaniswamy, Rakshita KR 99. Banukumar, Shivkumar, Inchira, Akshita D, Shashank HN 98. Tanish Chandrakumar BS, Kushal Gowda 97, Prithviraj Hemant UM 96, Aribha Vashuta KR Raksha, Shashidhar Srinivas Kavya with 95 scores. Okay, in this situation, I like to thank Swaminathan sir for his hard work and dedication and devotion towards his teaching. He made the students understand the value of time, which made the students score better. And I like to thank and congratulate Shrija ma'am, Suchitra ma'am, and Sushma.
Congratulations to all of you. Now next, I would like to invite Inchara and her parents. So she scored the Sanskrit 100 center and English 85, Physics 98, Chemistry 89, Maths 100, CS 99. So her overall percentage is 95, and compared to the 10th standard, there is 7% improvement. So she scored 2 centums in 2 subjects, that's Kannada and Maths. Congratulations to Inchara.
Thank you.
So I request you to speak few words.
Good morning, everyone. I thank everyone. I congratulate everyone who have scored good marks in your second results. And I acknowledge my teacher who has helped to achieve these marks. And without their hard work and cooperation, it would have been impossible for me to achieve those. And a special thanks to Murli sir and Madhvi ma'am, who have encouraged me and motivated me throughout every single step of my life. And also my friends who have helped me to keep on this track. And a huge thanks to my parents who have bared my grumpiness and tiredness after my study hours. And also thank you everyone for this helping thank everyone, every teachers for their cooperation, and thank you.
Thank you, Inchara. So now I request Inchara's mother to say few words.
Yeah. First of all, hello everyone. I'm very proud of my daughter and all the Learners PU College. First of all, I want to talk about the college. I'm very proud of the college because they work very hard to bring the below average student to get distinction. First of all, I want to tell about this. And the dedication towards the college, that each and every student, they don't have any discrimination about the students. And they treat all the students equally. Actually, according to me, I've observed that, and the abundance love towards the students I've seen in this college. I'm really very happy for that. And first of all, I want to talk about the parents, because actually I've observed all the parents, what they do is they simply pressurize the students to study. First of all, I want to tell that we both parents have never pressurized Inchara to study. Actually, sometimes she used to be stressed and she used to tell, Mommy, I don't want to study now. So what we used to tell is, okay, Inchara, don't study. when you feel like studying, you study. And I have two children. One is Inchara and her elder brother who is doing PhD in US. Even he, I used to tell him, never force them that you study at 6 o'clock, you sit and study at 7 o'clock. No. When they feel like studying, I used to tell them, okay, now you feel happy. And one thing, many parents have seen that who have scored first rank, please don't go to occasions, please don't watch movies, please be very dedicated and please be studying always. So I don't agree. Actually, when we pressurize the students, what they do is they open the book and they start studying, but nothing goes into the head. So according to me, what I feel is when the students feel like studying, they should sit and study. Whether it might be midnight, 2 o'clock, okay. Inchara and her brother, never they get up in the morning and study. They always feel like studying in the midnight. So we agree. Okay, you study. And many sleepless nights we have spent for this. Because when they feel happy to study, let them study. And whatever the little they study, everything goes into the head. So according to me, I feel that all the parents, please don't pressurize the students to study. And they'll be happy when they feel like studying. This is what I feel. And I really thank Murli sir and all the teachers and Madhvi ma'am for all their cooperation and dedication and their abundance love to all the students they have given. Really, I'm very, very happy about Learners PU College, and thank you very much, sir, Madhvi ma'am, and everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for identifying our efforts and dedication. So it's true that whatever you said, that we should not pressurize our students. Yeah. Okay, sir, would you like to say something? Okay, thank you, ma'am. So I request Raghavendra sir to felicitate Inchara.
Hello everyone.
Few minutes, please.
Good morning. I know I'm not able to see every one of you, but I could sense everyone is there. And I'm really very happy about the result that we have got. I would like to congratulate each and everyone who has succeeded in this examination. Happy about you children. And about the chemistry result, if I want to say, really, my students have shown a very good improvement and they have reached beyond my expectation. That's really a very good thing about it. So out of whatever the number of students we have, so we have got the overall percentage as 99.12. Even though there is little disappointment, I have to look at the positive side also. I'm very happy children. And there is a saying, if you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. Whatever the success that you people have got, definitely I want to say that you people were determined. For that sake only, you have got a better result. And here, if I want to sum up the result of this chemistry department and the chemistry, so we have got the highest marks as 99. Even though there is no centum, I'm really very happy about the marks that students have scored. The reason the question paper was a bit tricky compared to all other subjects. Even in the Karnataka entire state, we don't have much centums in chemistry, but our children have proved, yes, they have got some potential and have got a better marks. So 99 is the highest that we have got in our college, that is scored by Ariba. Very happy about her. I would like to congratulate. And then the second toppers that we have 3 students who have scored 98 marks. That is Bhanukumar S, Sukrut CP, and then Sahana Swami KP. I would like to congratulate them. And for the third rank, we have 3 students again who have scored 97 marks. They are Rashmi B, Tanish, and then Shashank HN. Again, congratulations all of you. And if I want to talk about the students who have scored better marks again, we have got totally 12 students who have scored about 95 marks, and we have 25 students who have scored about 90 and 52 students who have got distinction. And the average that when we take the chemistry, we have 76.4. So very, very happy. And I would like to mention this, even though we have mentioned the names of the students who have got the highest marks, there are so many students who are really poor in their performance when they were in the college. They have shown a very good
and the drastic change we could see in their results. Really, I want to mention a name here. Yuvak, I think you are watching. I'm really very, very happy about your results. Being my mentee, I was really very scared of your result, but you proved that you have got the potential and you got a good name for me also. Everybody is so happy about your result. Not only that, there are plenty of students who are really had poor performance, have scored better marks in chemistry. Even though I cannot mention each one of your names, but your names are there in my heart. Congratulations, all of you. Thank you for bringing this opportunity for us to speak very good words about you. Over to Raghavendra sir.
I would like to congratulate everyone. So, as Madam has told, in chemistry, I observed that there is no centenum, but still, 99 is not a poor marks. Because as Madam told, chemistry question paper was pretty tricky, especially in 1 mark question. I can say it was pretty tricky, but still, my expectation was 2 to 3 centenum will be there. Anyway, my expectation will never end. As a teacher, always will be having expectation more about the students because we feel people as our kids. And once again, congratulate all of you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations to your department. So next, I would like to invite Sahana Swami, who stood first place in our college. So she scored 95 marks in Kannada, 93 marks in English, 99 marks in physics, 98 marks in chemistry, and 100 marks in maths and 100 marks in biology. So her total is 585 and her percentage is 97.5%. In 10th, she scored 93%. So there is a very good improvement. Congratulations to Sahana Swami. So we know that it's not very easy to score this much marks. It's very difficult. So her hard work, dedication, now we can see this much results. So congratulations to you, sir. So I request Sahana Swami to say a few words.
Namaskara. ಕಾಲೇಜಸ್ ಇದ್ವು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸೇರ್ಕೋಬಹುದಿತ್ತು ಆದ್ರೂ ನಾವ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮೈಸೂರಿಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದ್ವಿ ಅದು ಲರ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲೇ ಯಾಕೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ಎರಡೇ ಕಾರಣ. ಒಂದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದೊಂದು ಕಾರಣ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ PCMB ಹಾಗೂ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿ, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ CET ನೀಟ್ ಕೋಚ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಇವೆರಡೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ನನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರ್ಸಿದ್ರು. ನಮ್ಮ ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಸೇರ್ಸಿದ್ರು. ಇದೇ ತಕ್ಕದಾಗೆ ನನ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿ, ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಟೀಚರ್ಸೇ ಎಲ್ಲ. ನಾನೊಂದು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರು, ಅವ್ರ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಹರ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೊಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫೀಲ್ ಇತ್ತು, ನಮ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಗೇಟ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ನಮ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ರು, ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಹರ್ಸಿದ್ರು. ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗ್ಲಿ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗ್ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ರು. ಆವಾಗೇ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ ನಮಗೆ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋ ದುಃಖ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಟೀಚರ್ಸೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನನ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಗೈಡ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದಾಗಿರ್ಲಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಡೋದಾಗಿರ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ನನ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೇಳಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಈ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತೆಗ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಐದೇ 5 ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ನನಗೆ ಕಾರಣ. ಒಂದು, ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರೆ. ಅದೊಂದು, ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಸೇರ್ಸಿದಕ್ಕೆ, ನಾನಿಷ್ಟು ಬೆಳೆಸಿದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಕಾರಣ. ಎರಡನೇದು ನಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ. ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಗೈಡ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ನನಗೆ ಮುಂದೆನೂ ಉಪಯೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಉಪಯೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಮೂರನೇದು ನನ್ನ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್. ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿ, ಏನೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿ, ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಲರ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ, ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾಲ್ಕನೇದು ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾರಿಗೇ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನನ್ಗೂ ಇದೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸು ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಕಲ್ಸ್ಕೊಟ್ರು. ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಆದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇವ್ರು 3 ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲೂ ನಿಂತ್ಕೋತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ಯಾರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. 5ನೇದು ನನ್ನ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್, ಇವನ್ ಪೃಥ್ವಿರಾಜಣ್ಣ ಅವರು ಸಹ ನನಗೆ ಆದರ್ಶ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿನೇ. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮಾತು ಸಹ ನನಗೆ ಇವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಮ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಕಾವ್ಯ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನನಗೆ, ಯಾರೇ ICSE ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಬರ್ಲಿ, CBSE ಬರ್ಲಿ, ಯಾರೇ ಬರ್ಲಿ, PCMB ನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, CSE ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ಅನ್ನೋದೊಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ನನ್ಗೆ ಇವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ನಿಮ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ನನಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಅದೇ ನನಗೆ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕಾಗ್ಲಿ, ನಾನು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರು ಹೋಗಿ ಕೇಳೋದಕ್ಕಾಗ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೇಳಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ನೀವು ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಯಾವ್ದೇ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ, ಯಾವ್ದೇ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, 2 ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡೋಗೋದು ಯಾವ್ದೇ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರು. ಒಂದು ನೆನಪುಗಳು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್. ನೆನಪುಗಳು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಅನುಭವಿಸ್ತೀವೋ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕ್ಷಣನು, ಅದು ನೆನಪುಗಳು. ನೀವು ಬರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಿಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕ್ಷಣನು ನೀವು ಅನುಭವಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೆನಪುಗಳಾಗಿ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವ್ ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಯಾವ್ದೇ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡೋಗೋದು ಒಂದು ನೆನಪುಗಳು. 2ನೇದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. ನೀವು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ತಗೊಳಕ್ ಬರ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಆವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನ್ಸು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಚುಚ್ಚದೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ನಿಮ್ ಸಾಧನೆ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಏನೇ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಏನೇ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ, ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಾನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ. ಆವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ ಮನ್ಸು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಓದೋದಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ. ಆವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ ಮನ್ಸು ಚುಚ್ಚದೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಆ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಸರಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ, ಚುಚ್ಚಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಕಾರ್ಯ ತಪ್ಪಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿ ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡೋಗೋದು 2, ಒಂದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್, ಒಂದು ನೆನಪುಗಳು. ಇದನ್ನ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಸತಿನೂ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ಸೇ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಟಾಪರ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಫಲಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ದೇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಂತ ಮಾಧುಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ನಾನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು, ನನ್ನ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಹಾಕ್ದೆ, ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಿದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸಹನಾ, ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರಿ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಸೊ ಸರ್,
ನಾನು ಸಹನಾ ತಂದೆಯಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲರ್ನರ್ಸ್, ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯರು ಮತ್ತು ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಉಪಕಾರ ಇದೆ. ಅವರ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನದಿಂದನೇ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಈ ಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಸೊ ಸಹನಾ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವರ ಅಮ್ಮ ಈ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವರೊಂದೆರಡು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ.
ಹಲೋ, ನಾನು ಸಹನಾ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ತಾಯಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೇಳೋದಿಷ್ಟೇನೆ, ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಜಯಶಾಲೆಯಾಗಿ ಬಾ, ಆ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಅಥವಾ ಆ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪರಿಸರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಂದಾಣಿಕೆ ಆಗುವಂತೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಶ್ರಮ, ಆಸಕ್ತಿ, ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ನಿನ್ನೊಂದಿಗಿರ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗೂ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ, ಶಿಸ್ತಿನ ಕ್ರಮ, ಕಟ್ಟುನಿಟ್ಟಿನ ಕ್ರಮ ನಿನ್ನ ಜೀವನದ ದಾರಿಯಾಗಿರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆದರ್ಶ ಶಾಲೆಯಿಂದ, ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಶಾಲೆಯಿಂದ ಅವಳು ಬಂದಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ತನ್ನ ಧ್ಯೇಯವನ್ನ ಮರ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗೂ ಅವರ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರ ಅಷ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನ ಅನುಸರಿಸಿದ್ಲು. ಅವರ ಶಿಸ್ತಿನ ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನವನ್ನ ಅನುಸರಿಸಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಶ್ರಮವನ್ನ ಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾರ್ಥಕವಾಯಿತು. ಆ ಒಂದು ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರು ಹಾಗೂ ಲರ್ನರ್ಸ್ PU ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರಿಗೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಸಹನಾಳ ತಾಯಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾನು ತುಂಬು ಹೃದಯದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಾಗೂ ಉಳಿದ ಮುಂದಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದೇ ತರ ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆ, ಆಸಕ್ತಿ, ಸಂಯಮ, ತಾಳ್ಮೆ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ನಿಮ್ಮದಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಜಯಶಾಲಿರಾಗಬಹುದು. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇಕ ತೊಡಕುಗಳು ಬರಬಹುದು, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹಿಮ್ಮೆಟ್ಟಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಧೈರ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರ ಅಥವಾ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ, ಶಿಸ್ತಿನ ಕ್ರಮಗಳ ಅನುಪಾಲನೆ ಜೀವನದ ಧ್ಯೇಯವಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಗಷ್ಟೇ ಮುಂದಿನ ದಾರಿ ಸುಗಮವಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಗುರಿ ತಲುಪಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಲರ್ನರ್ಸ್ PU ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರಿಗೂ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಿಗೆ ಸಹನಾಳ ತಾಯಿಯ ಪರವಾಗಿ ತುಂಬು ಹೃದಯದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂತೋಷ ಪಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದೇ ತರ ನಮ್ಮ ಊರಿನಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇವಳ ಹೆಗ್ಗಳಿಕೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿದೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಲರ್ನರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಒಂದು ಮಹತ್ವ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿದೆ. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನವನ್ನು ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕೊಲೀಗ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ ಬಹಳ ಅಪೇಕ್ಷೆ ಪಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅದೆಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಶ್ರಮ, ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ, ಕಟ್ಟುನಿಟ್ಟಿನ ಕ್ರಮಗಳು ಅದೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು, ವಂದನೆಗಳು.
ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಮೇಡಮ್. ಸೊ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಐ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ our principal Madhavi ma'am to felicitate the first topper Sahana Swami, and I request all the faculties to join. Next, I request Bhanukumar and his father to join this program. So he scored Kannada 91 marks, English 90, Physics 98, Chemistry 98, Maths 100 and Bio 97, and overall his total is 574 and 97%. Congratulations, Bhanukumar. So there is a 6% improvement. So very good improvement, Bhanukumar. So I request Bhanukumar to say a few words to.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ನಾನು ಭಾನುಕುಮಾರ್, ನಿಮ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮೊದ್ಲಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕಂಗ್ರಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಸಾಧಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ PU ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ನಿಮ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮ್ ಖುಷಿ ಪಟ್ಟಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರು ದುಃಖನೂ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಬೇಜಾರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ಇದೊಂದೇನೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾನು 10th ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಂಗೂ ಬೇಜಾರಾಯ್ತು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು 93 ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ 90 ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಆಗ ನಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆಯವರು ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಮುಂದೆ ರೋಡಲ್ಲೇ ಇಬ್ರು ಬೈಕಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀಯಾ ಅಂದ್ರು. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದು ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ಕೋಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಒಬ್ರು ದೊಡ್ಡವರ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಅ ಬುಕ್ ಬೈ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಈಗಲೂ ಏನಂತೀನಿ, ಈಗಲೂ ನೆನಪಿಸ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪನ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಖುಷಿ ನಿನ್ನೆ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಆಗಿದ್ರು ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ನನ್ನ ಮುರಳಿ ಸರ್ಗೆ, ಮಾಧವಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟೀಸ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಅಂತ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಂಡ್
Thank you, Bhanukumar. So next sir, we will let Madhavi.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಯೂತ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಕ ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಗೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ ಅಂತದ್ದು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮಗ್ ನಿಮ್ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಕಲ್ಪಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸಖತ್ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡ್ತಿದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾವು ಕೈಲ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಬಂದು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ,
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಭಾನುಕುಮಾರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಏನೇ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಇದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬಂದು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್
ಯಾವತ್ತು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಬಂದು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಯಾವ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಈ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ತುಂಬಾ
thank you sir. So I request Mahadev sir and Murali sir to felicitate Bhanukumar.
Sir, the smile can't style alva ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ. Now good. Bhanukumar smile ಕೊಡಬಹುದು ಪುಟ.
Okay, next I request Mahadev sir to enroll biology department. So it's my department.
Students, good morning. Congratulations for all the students. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಕೆಲವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೂ ಕಂಗ್ರಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿತ್ ದ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮುರಳಿ ಸರ್, ಮಾಧವಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, with all the teachers and especially students, ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಸಹಕಾರದಿಂದ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಟೀಮ್ ಗೇಮ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೀವು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಅಳವಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ನಾವು ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಅಥವಾ 2 ಸೆಂಟಮ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋ ತರ ಒಂದು ಅದೇ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಸರಿ 5 ಜನ 100% ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಲೈಕ್ 5 ಜನ ಸೆಂಟಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 10 years ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಆ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯ ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ ತಂದಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಬಯಾಲಜಿಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಪಾಸ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ 100% ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಬಂದಂತಹ 5 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಒಂದು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಟಾಪರೇ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಸಾನ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅಂತ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಸುಕೃತ್, ಹೇಮಂತ್, ಶಶಾಂಕ್ HN, ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ. ಈ 5 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳು 100ಕ್ಕೆ 100 ಅಂಕಗಳನ್ನ ಪಡೆದಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಬಯಾಲಜಿ ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಲವು ಸರಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಒಂದು 50 ಜನ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಒಬ್ರು ಸೆಂಟಮ್, ಓಕೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಂಕ್ಷನ್, 3 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಂದು 50 ಆ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ವಿಷಯ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಂಕ್ಷನ್ 70ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಒಂದು 42 ಜನ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, 5 ಜನ ಸೆಂಟಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ 90 and 90 above ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 41 ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಓವರ್ ಆಲ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಆಭಾರಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಹಕಾರದಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗ್ಲಿ, ಮುಂದೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಯಶಸ್ಸು ಸಿಗ್ಲಿ. Once again, from the Department of Biology and from the college, we congratulate all the students. Thank you very much. If you want to tell something.
So I am very happy with your performance. So ನನ್ನ career ಅಲ್ಲಿ 10 years experience ಇತ್ತು. 2 years ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 years ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನನಗೆ 5 ಸೆಂಟಮ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು. And also thank you for all of you for scoring 100% result in biology. So ನಿಮ್ಮ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ. Thank you all and congratulations to all of you. So ಭಾವನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ congratulations. Okay.
Thank you, students and parents and all the viewers. Thank you.
So thank you, sir.
So I want to congratulate Basura sir that this time we got, even in Kannada, 100 out of 100. In Sanskrit, we got 100 out of 100. So congratulations to the students and all our language faculty. This is once again, it's a great improvement. We never got in languages 100 out of 100. This time we got in Kannada and Sanskrit. So I really appreciate all the teachers and students who performed so well this time. And I want to thank all the teachers, especially maths teachers, Rishikant, Rekha Madam, and Chitra, all these people for helping all the students to perform so well in mathematics. I could see in mathematics almost each and every student improved their performance. Many people getting 100 out of 100, 99, 98. It's a wonderful thing. We really feel proud of them.
Yeah, now I request Rupti ma'am to share the PPT.
Hello everyone once again. APJ ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ಕಲಾಂ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಕೋಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೋಲೆಂಬ ರೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಮತ್ತು ಕಠಿಣ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮವೇ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮದ್ದು. ಇದು ಯಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತದೆಯೋ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಯಶಸ್ಸು ಕಟ್ಟಿಟ್ಟ ಬುತ್ತಿ. A person succeeds if he treats the failure with confidence and hard work. I would like to thank all the learners, beloved students and parents for your active participation for this virtual celebration of students' achievements and making it successful. Thank you. I would like to thank our respected director, Murali sir, and our graceful principal, Madhvi ma'am, for making this event to happen and to be successful. Thank you both of you.
I would like to thank our current second PU and first PU learners for their involvement to share the happiness of their senior success. Hope that you will also strive hard and work smart to succeed as your seniors. Members of teaching team for their effort and support for the event who are much more excited about the students' results. Thank you, everyone. I thank technical team and non-teaching team for their hard work. Finally, I wish you all good luck to have a fruitful future. Thank you each and everyone who took part in this meeting. Have a good day.
From this